Hello, how are you?
I'm great. I'm very happy you're studying with me. You are studying with me now. You were studying with me last time and we were talking, past continuous, about past continuous. We were talking. Yeah, I'm sure you remember. Okay, so I promised that today I will explain the difference between the past simple verb tense, I did, I went, I ran, I talked, and past continuous, I was talking, doing, and dancing, I was, you were speaking. Okay, so imagine this situation. This all happened last year, okay? So we're not talking about a present situation, we're talking about the past, okay? Past situation. Jack, my friend Jack, was reading a book. He was sitting in his armchair. Armchair is like a small sofa. He was sitting in his armchair reading a book. Very comfy. And then, tring, 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 his phone rang. His phone rang. Okay? It was one quick action while he was reading his book. He stopped reading. Another very quick action. He stopped reading and he answered the phone. Hello. And that was his uncle telling him to come and visit. Okay? So what happened? Past simple. The phone rang. Past simple. Okay? Why? Because it's an interruption. It's a quick action. Okay? Interrupting. What happened? The phone rang. Happened is a regular verb, so we add an ed ending to it. Rang is an irregular one. Rang means ring, okay? But it's passed from ring. Ring, rang, rang, okay? The phone rang. Ring, rang, rang. Good. The phone rang. Okay. What was Jack doing? What was he doing when the phone rang? What was he doing when the phone rang? He was reading a book. Very good. He was reading a book. That's past continuous. Why? Because it was a continuous action. He was sitting and he was reading a book. He was also drinking his cup of tea. What did he do? What did he do when the phone rang? What did he do when the phone rang? He stopped reading and answered the phone. Both the question and the answer are in past simple because I'm not interested in what he was doing, so in the continuous action. I'm interested in the interruption, okay? Brief, sort of vertical interruption to what he was doing, okay? When the phone rang, he was reading. When the phone rang, past simple, he was reading, past continuous, okay? So, we use past simple for complete actions, okay? Complete actions. We played tennis, so we started and we ended. We played tennis. But we were playing tennis when Mary called us, okay? Interrupted action, in the middle of the action. What were you doing yesterday at 3? Well, if you look at your day yesterday at 3, you were probably in the middle of something, right? So you would say, I was sleeping. Okay? But it's not a complete action. I just interrupted it with my question about 3 p.m. You were sleeping. Good for you. You were having a nap. That's brilliant. Okay, so you need to imagine past simple as small red crosses on the line of past continuous. Past continuous is a long line. I was reading, I was sleeping, I was talking to my friend, and past simple are brief, short, and complete actions that happen in the past, okay? I read the book means I started and I finished. I was reading indicates the action of reading. I don't know if this action is completed or not. Do you get that? I know that it can sound a bit complicated, so I invite you to listen to this video maybe more than to this video, to this audio, maybe more than once, okay? And please leave me a comment below if you have any questions, all right? I'm sending you a big hug and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!